whether the existence reveals matter, life, consciousness, self-consciousness, joy or not. Existence is, will remain forever, unchanging. So that is why I said, mind wanders to the body, no issue. Plus I am. Life, breath, I am. Thoughts, plus I am. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bring your mind on the right hand, your mind on the left hand. Lift your both the palms, place it in your eyes, open the eyes inside, know your experiences. Bring the hands down. Who is in a hurry? No, I will ask him or her to share their experience. Okay, nobody will say, I know that. Anyhow, how are you, Brian? Oh, you are in a hurry, sir? Okay.
I'm not in a hurry.
Okay, very good.
Yeah. That was a really focused practice for me. Everything seemed kind of organized. I was able to perceive my body and outside my body and inside my body and watch my mind kind of go. And when at one point when you said like drop the whatever comes after I am, it was interesting because I was feeling like big and little and um, I know it's just perception, right? Because I was
Yeah,
just sitting here. I didn't change. I didn't change size sitting here, but yeah. Anyway,
beautiful. That's a
thank you.
beautiful experience. It doesn't change any size. So what we found something that is unchanging. So the mind will reflect on the unchanging, and there I am. Good. Wonderful. How are you, Sam? You showed your fingers? You're in a hurry?
No, I'm good.
Oh, good. Very good.
Yeah.
I know nobody will say it.
um, the practice was really good for me. I would use the word constant in that I felt that, the space we've been accessing when you tell us to go down into the cave of our heart. And I just stayed with the same
Yeah.
feeling of energy. Sometimes with the more passive practices, I feel myself going deep down and then back up. But today it was just this the whole time.
Whole time. That's really good. You see, sometime your previous practices helps you. That is what Sam used, the cave of your heart. In the previous practices that we did it. Wonderful. How are you, Kate?
Awesome. Simple. Free.
Free. Beautiful. Beautiful. How are you, Christina?
Hi, good morning. I'm grateful to be here with all of you. And my experience was very light and bright, and I slipped into that inner center self very quickly. And so all of a sudden it was over, and I was completely at peace. So I'm going to be carrying that outside of, having my eyes
Beautiful,
closed. So thank you.
beautiful. Live into that state, and I'm grateful, and I appreciate you sent a letter to me. Can I talk? No, I can only talk that you sent me a wonderful letter appreciating me. That is your own appreciation. That is you. But anyhow, thank you very much. How are you, Ashok?
I'm good, sir. Better than before, and very
Better
peaceful
than
meditation.
better than very good. Very good. How are you, Terry? Where is Terry? Happy New Year. Yeah, I was not seeing you, but I knew that you're practicing, so I didn't see in the middle.
I had to lie on the floor. I had to lie on the floor, and my computer is
Okay.
up high. But I think I was a lot in my mind, and but I had a weird question. I was aware of
Okay.
the body. I was aware of the floor. I was aware of the body. I was aware of all of the what the words. And I thought, if you, how do
Before
I?
you ask a question, can I answer that?
Yes. Yes.
The one who makes you aware of everything is the real self.
If you are aware of the real self,
That you is real self in the field of awareness.
well, I think my question has to do with it. Is that a thought, and then therefore you've already put it into two things? You're having that thought, I'm the real self, or you have the thought, I'm experiencing awareness of that, or
I
some
am
at some yeah.
aware of a thought. First, remove that thought. Then, I am aware, remove that awareness. What is left? I am. That I am is the existence. That I am is the existence. Then only you say, I am aware. And then you extend it further. I am aware of a thought. I am aware of a stress. That's why I'm crying. I am aware of the problems. You see, all those problems and awareness is no longer they exist means they come and go. But what does not come and go is I am.
Can you go to a place while you're alive where
goes?
you
Who goes?
are simply I am, and you are not,
Who goes?
and you don't have the next word?
Who goes? If the body goes, you are not the body. Done.
And
goes?
then I had the question come to me: where is that place? Like, where is it? It isn't
Where
anywhere.
it is. It is everywhere.
Everywhere.
That is all for today. Thank you.
Namaste, everyone, and Happy New Year to all of you.
Gracias.